Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to create responsive text columns using CSS columns property. First we are going to create a div. Within div we will have one h4 tag. And we will create two paragraphs tag. With dummy lorem text. Now we are going to make this responsive by making two equal width columns.
Now we will have to define width of the columns and number of columns, and then we will define column gap for space between them. I am gonna add a border of 2 pixels solid white, just so that we can visualize it better, and some padding as well. As you can see, they are side by side and the title is taking just one column, so let's span this to entire column width by using column span, and we are gonna set it to all. As you can see, these 2 columns are side by side and responsive as well. Please subscribe and follow for daily CSS tips and tricks.